All right, so you've got a big science quiz coming up, right? Or maybe you're just like me and love having your mind totally blown by how weird the universe is. Well, either way, you have come to the right place. We are about to count down the top 10 most unbelievable facts about space. So get ready, maybe even grab a pen. Let's get into it. So you think you know your stuff when it comes to the universe. Let's find out. We're going to put that knowledge to the test. I'm counting down 10 facts that, I promise you, are going to make you question everything you thought was true about space.
Okay, here we go. Time to kick off the countdown. First up, we're diving into facts 10 down to number 6.
Kicking us off at number 10 is something we kind of take for granted, the sheer size of our sun. I mean, we all know it's big, but how big? Try this on for size. You could fit 1 million planet Earths inside of it. 1 million! It's one thing to just hear that number, but when you see it like this, it really hits home just how ridiculously tiny our planet is.
Coming in at number 9, we've got a super weird fact that's a little closer to home. You know, right now, gravity is constantly squishing your spine down, but what happens when you take gravity away? Well, in space, an astronaut's spine can actually decompress and stretch out, making them grow up to 2 inches taller. It's temporary, of course. They shrink back down when they get home. But still, pretty wild, right?
Okay, fact number 8. This one really puts the sun's power into perspective. So if you took everything in our solar system, all the planets, all the moons, every single asteroid and comet, and put it on a scale, our sun would account for a whopping 99.8% of all that mass. Everything else? Just a tiny little 0.2%. It's that incredible mass that creates the gravity that holds our whole cosmic neighborhood together.
For number 7, I'm just going to throw a number at you. 600. What do you think that is? I'll give you a hint. It's a speed. 600 is the number of times some neutron stars can spin every single second. We're talking about the super dense, collapsed cores of giant stars, just the size of a city, spinning faster than a kitchen blender. It's just unimaginable.
All right, rounding out the first half of our list at number 6, we've found the largest ocean in the universe. But here's the twist. It's not on a planet. Nope, it's a gigantic cloud of water vapor floating in space, surrounding a supermassive black hole billions of light years away. And get this, it holds 140 trillion times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Let that sink in for a second. Trillion. Whoa, okay, take a quick breath. We're only halfway through, and we've already covered some crazy stuff, but we've barely scratched the surface. Now, we're heading into the top 5, and trust me, this is where things get really weird.
Okay, number 5 is, well, it's a little sad actually. You know Saturn's beautiful, iconic rings? They're not forever. Yeah, it turns out they're slowly being pulled in by the planet's own gravity, basically raining down onto the surface as icy particles. So, appreciate them while you can, because in a few 100 million years, they might be completely gone.
Number 4 is going to sound like science fiction, but it's 100% real. Black holes can sing. Okay, not with actual sound. There's no air in space to carry it. But when two massive things, like black holes, smash into each other, they send out ripples in the very fabric of space and time. We call them gravitational waves. And get this, we can now detect them here on Earth. It's literally like listening to the echoes of the most powerful events in the universe's history.
All right, get ready for number 3, because this one sounds like it completely breaks the laws of physics. The universe is expanding, faster than the speed of light. Now you're probably thinking, wait, I thought nothing could go faster than light. And you're right. The key here is that it's not things moving through space that are breaking the speed limit. It's space itself that's stretching and expanding. So distant galaxies are being carried away from us faster than light can travel the distance. Yeah, that's a total mind-bender.
Our runner-up, number 2, takes us right next door to our planetary neighbor, Venus. And things there are just bizarre. So a single day on Venus, like one full spin, takes 243 Earth days. But its year, the time it takes to go around the sun, is only 225 Earth days. Did you catch that? Let me say it again. On Venus, a day is longer than a year. Just try to imagine that.
And here we are, the number 1 most mind-blowing space fact. Are you ready? There is a planet out there that is probably made of diamond. I'm not kidding. It's called 55 Cancri e. It's about twice the size of Earth, and scientists think it's so carbon-rich that under all that intense pressure and heat, a huge chunk of the planet is literally compressed into pure diamond, an entire world made of diamonds. You can't make this stuff up.
So, there you have it. 10 absolutely incredible facts. And yeah, they're awesome for acing that quiz, but this stuff is so much more than just trivia, right? Every single one of these discoveries completely changes how we see ourselves and our place in this huge, wild universe.
So, what's the big takeaway from all this cosmic craziness? I mean, why does it matter that there are diamond planets or singing black holes? Well, because every one of these discoveries is like finding another piece of a giant cosmic puzzle. It's a clue that helps us figure out the fundamental rules that make everything tick.
And that has huge implications for our future. I mean, understanding these cosmic laws, like how those gravitational waves work, is going to be absolutely essential if we ever want to travel the stars. Finding things like that giant water cloud, or heck, a diamond planet, hints at the unbelievable resources that might be out there. And every time we find a truly bizarre new world like Venus where a day is longer than a year, it forces us to rethink what a planet can be, and that helps us know where and what to look for in the hunt for life beyond Earth.
So let's just end on this thought. Every single fact we just talked about was completely unknown to us a relatively short time ago. We're launching new telescopes, new missions, all the time. It just makes you wonder, doesn't it? What's the next jaw-dropping discovery that's right around the corner? What unbelievable fact is going to be number 1 on this list 10 years from now?